Now this is Dreamwave, and here you can get professional headshots in minutes for you or your team. That's right, you or your team, and it's trusted by Fortune 500 professionals at Metaverse and Strip and the rest of them. This is an example. This is a picture, and this is the one that was generated by Dreamwave. This is a picture. This is the one that was generated by Dreamwave. So you can see it's really good. All you have to do is upload your photos, drag and drop your photos here, any of those two, and it will get started for yourself in 30 seconds. You get the accurate AI headshot without the AI look. It's as simple as that. So it is really good. You can see examples, people testifying to it. It's really that good. So Dreamwave is an AI research lab developing new ways to augment human creativity with artificial intelligence. So it produces headshot photography. It has team headshots also to generate consistent AI headshots at scale with your growing company. It's perfect for remote teams. You can create custom photos, generate new photos of yourself with any scene, outfit or hair. The only limit is your imagination. You can see this is an example. Then so they have values, they have careers and many others. They're looking for ambitious, thoughtful, and kind people to join their team. So if you're excited about it but don't see the exact open position, you can email here and they might give you. So I can they need is for machine learning engineer and senior product designer. The dream work is really nice. Like we said, for headshots. Now the next on our list after Dreamwave is by the way, Dreamwave is not free. We won't get a headshot. You have packages. We have $35 package where you get 120 photos, 8 outfits, and 8 backdrops. Then you have the standard $9 where you get 250 photos, 10 outfits, 10 backdrops, and 1 free redo. Then you have the best value for $99. You get 500 photos, 15 outfits, 10 backdrops, 2 free redo, and unlimited human touch-ups. This is really good. So we choose 159 right now. You'll be able to get 2 hours turnaround. So you can try it out.